of f of 2.01 for f of x is equal 4x square plus 5x plus 2. So now here already you know formula f of x plus delta x is equal f of x plus f dash of x into delta x. Okay, see f of x plus delta x is equal f of x plus f dash of x into delta x. Now here x is equal to delta x is equal 0.01. X is equal to 2, delta x is equal to 0.01. So now here already you got it, f of x equation, delta x value you got it 0.01. So differentiation on the equation f dash of x. So now here f of x is equal 4x square plus 5x plus 2. In this equation, you have to differentiation on both sides. D by dx of f of x is equal d by dx of 4x square plus 5x plus 2. In this equation, differentiation, Nana. So what is the differentiation, sir? F dash of x means one time differentiation of the equation. Next
8x.
4 constant. Yes, super. 8x plus 5. 8x plus 5. In this equation, f of x value what, Nana? 2 plus delta x value 0.01 is equal f of x means what you can write, sir? 4x square plus 5x
plus 5
plus 2. Yes, super. Plus f dash of x means 8x plus 5 into delta x. What is the delta x value, sir? 0.01. Now f of 2.01 is equal 4 into x value what, Nana? 2 square plus 5 into 2 plus 2 plus 8 into 2 plus 5 into 0.01. You have to multiply, you can find out, that's all answer. Okay, so once you can copy, Nana. 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 4, 16 plus 10, 2 plus 8 into 2, 16 plus 5 into 0.01. Okay, once you can add and you can multiply. 1 minute, Nana. Nuva, are ja. అరే దాంట్లో గాలి ఉందారా?
Excuse me, sir.
Tell me, Amma.
Sir, can you just turn your phone to the right side of the board, sir?
Okay, Nana. Now, Amma.
Sir, before
okay.
it was clear, sir. Before, like somewhat, sir, still.
Little bit.
Yes, sir.
Now.
Sir, right side, sir.
Okay.
Now okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Completed, amma. So 16, 26, 28 plus 21 into 0.1 ana. So here what you can, yes, 28.21. Sopram.
Completed, sir.
Okay. What about remaining, right?
Yes, sir. Completed.
Okay. Next, third one, amma. Find the approximate values of f of 5.001, f of x is equal x cube minus 7x square plus 15. Once you can solve this, Samnan, I will give time. Everyone. Same formula, f of x, delta x. So x is equal to 5, delta x is equal 0.001. Everyone you can do now. Okay, Sinan here, x is equal to 5, delta x is equal 0.01. Yes. So next what you can find out, sir? F dash of x. So f of x is equal x cube minus 7x square plus 15. In this equation, both sides differentiation d by dx of f of x is equal d by dx of
Yes.
x cube.
Yes.
Yes, nana. Super. So into 15. So what you can write, sir? F dash of x is equal 3x square
3x square
minus
minus 14x.
x. Super. 14x constant value 0. So now in this equation, f of x value what's sir? 5. Delta x value what's sir? 0.01 is equal to f of x. What is given, sir? Equation x cube minus 7x square plus 15 plus f dash of x 3x square minus 14x into delta x value 0.001. Okay. So now here f of 5.001 x value what nana 5 cube 7 into 5 square plus 15 3 into 5 square 14 into 5 0.001. Okay. Once you can simplify nana this one. Copy and you can simplify. 125 25 into 7 175 plus 15 5 square 25 into 3 125 14 5 0 5 4 is 20 70 yes 0.00. Once you can add and you can subtract.
Sir, 125 minus 70 is there. 75 minus 70 is there.
Yes, here Anana.
Sir, no, sir. 3 into 5 square. That one, sir.
3 into 5 square 25 25 into 5 nana. What is the value?
25 into 3 is, sir. 70.
Yes 75. Very good. What is the answer, Ra?
Minus 34.995.
Yes, super. You can do fifth one, Amma. Sorry, fourth one. Okay, fourth one I will explain. I unmute yourself, Amma. Who is that guy? Unmute yourself, Amma.
Completed, sir.
Completed. Next amma, fourth one. Find the approximate changes in the volume. Volume means V is equal to cube of sides. Nana means volume formula side into side into side means x into x into x, x cube, side of x meters. So increasing side by 1% means delta x is equal 1% means 1 by 100. Otherwise you can write x by 100 also. So dv by dx is equal d by dx of x cube. Now here dv by dx is equal 3x square denoted by delta v is equal 3x square into delta x, 3x square delta x 1% of the side means 1 into sorry x into 1 by 100 means x by 100, 1% means. So here 3x cube by 100. Okay. 1 second copy now. 1 second copy and you can try fifth one number. Surface area. What is the surface area formula, Nana?
4a square. 4a square.
Surface area, right? 6x square or 6a square. There.
Completed, sir.
Okay.
Zero point 12 a square.
Next one.
Minus 0.1.
Find the approximate changes in the surface area surface area means x is equal to 6x square. Cube of side. Unmute yourself. Now. X meters. Decreasing of the sides by 1%. Decreasing means minus will come, Nana. So 1 by here. Means minus x by 100 also you can write same. So both sides differentiation ds by dx is equal 6 constant value you can write outside dy dx of x square ds by dx is equal 12x. So ds is equal 12x into dx. So delta x is equal 12x into delta x. So delta x is equal to this one. So now here 12x minus x by 100, 12x square by 100 in delta s. Okay. So once you can copy now.
Completed, sir.
Okay. What about remaining? Ra?
Completed.
Okay. Completed, sir.
Next Amma. Sixth one. If the radius of this sphere, what is the sphere, Nana? Formula? Volume of this sphere V equal to
4 by 3.
Cube,
yes, 4 by 3 by r square or r cube.
Cube.
Yes,
Cube.
r cube. So next, the radius r is equal to 7 meters, and with where
R cube.
dr, yes, dr is equal to 0.02. Find the approximate values. So now both sides differentiation dv by dr with respect. So now here 4 by 3 5 d by dr r cube. So dv by dr is equal 4 by 3 5 3 r square, 3 will get cancelled. So dv is equal 4 pi r square into dr. So dv is equal to 4 pi into r means 7 square, dr value 0.02. Now we can multiply on this one. 7 square 49 into 4 5 into 0.2. Everything you have to multiply. What is the value, right?
1.2152.
Okay.
3.92 pi, sir.
Oh, 3.925. Very good, ma'am. Arey, unmute yourself, man. Who is that guy?
Completed, sir.
Okay, okay. See, seventh one, Nana. If the radius of the sphere of acid as a 9 meters means sphere means S is equal 4 pi r square. R is equal to 9. dr is equal 0.03. Now both sides differentiation with respect to ts by dr is equal 4 pi constant value I can write outside. So d by dr of r square. So ds by dr is equal 4 pi into 2r. So ds is equal 8 pi r into dr. 8 pi r means 9, 0.03. 7 9 8 is 72 into 0.3 can multiply none.
2.165 meters.
2.165 meters. Very good, Nani. Super. Remaining eighth one number same. Already second one I am explaining now. Same. X value 3, delta x value 0.02. Okay. You can take and you can substitute the value. You will get what is the option. You have to check and write. Next ninth one. The approachment changes. Okay. In the volume of the cube, Nana. Volume of the cube means what you can write, sir? Formula 3 v is equal to x cube. dv by dx means 3x square. So delta x is equal 3 by 100, 3x by 100. You can substitute the and you can. Okay. So next concept, maximum and minima, that I will start tomorrow, Nana. Okay. So today, sorry, tomorrow you have test now. Once you can revise. Okay.
Completed, sir.
Okay, Nana.
మీరు కనుక కరెంటు బిల్లు కట్టకుండా ఉంటే ఎలాంటి సమాచారం లేకుండానే మీ యొక్క కరెంటు సరఫరా నిలుపు చేయడమే కాకుండా చట్టపరమైన చర్యలు తీసుకోవాలని తెలియజేస్తున్నాం. ఈ రోజు తప్పనిసరిగా మీ బిల్లులు చెల్లించండి, రసీదు పొందండి, డిపార్ట్మెంట్ వారికి సహకరించండి. రైతు మోటార్లు ఉన్న రైతు సోదరుల మీ యొక్క కరెంటు మోటార్లకు సంబంధించిన బిల్లులు తీసుకున్నారు. తప్పనిసరిగా ఈ రోజు చెల్లించండి. దేని ఎలాంటి సమాచారం తెలియకుండానే మీ మోటార్లకు కరెంట్ కనెక్షన్ తీసేయవలసిందని తెలియజేస్తున్నాం. ఏదో తెలియజేస్తున్న వారు లేదా కరెంట్ ఏఈ గారు ఇంత మూలంగా సమస్త కరెంటు వాహనాలకు మీకు కరెంట్ ఏఈ గారు ఏదో తెలియజేస్తున్నారు. బిల్లు సంబంధించిన కరెంటు బిల్లు
అడుపు completed, Amma.
Yes, sir. Completed.
ఓకే అన్న, 1 second ప్రాక్టీస్ ఫర్ దట్ వన్ అమ్మా.